Hello, welcome. Question 34, BECE 2025. Given that we are having 0.03 times y equals to 2.4, we have to find the value of what? Y. We can solve this as decimal fraction. We can also convert into fraction. So let me go with the fraction approach. So this is going to be 1, 2. That is 3 divided by what? 100 times y equals to 1. So 24 divided by what? 10. So this becomes equation involving fraction. What do? We find the LCM and multiply through by the LCM, which is going to be 100. So here we multiply by what? The 100, which is the LCM. That means that I should have 100 times 3 over 100 y, or let's say times y, equals to 100 times 24 over 10. The 100 will cancel from here, leaving us with 3y, as in 3 times y, equals to this here. This will cancel this. So you should be left with only 10. 10 times 24. That's what? 240. But it is y you are looking for, not 3y. Therefore, 3y divided by 3, 240 divided by 3, y is going to be 80. So let's put a 0 there, which doesn't make anything. So it's 80.0 or 80, just like we are seeing in the option D. I guess the concept is clear. You can also use the decimal approach, dividing both sides by 0.03, then you have the effect of that conversion from decimal to fraction. You end up getting the same result. Bye bye.